You've got to take 2 5s and make it a 10. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And 5 times 2 is also equal to 10. You got to take 4 5s and make it a 10. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. And 5 times 4 is also equal to 20. You've got to take 6 5 and make them a 10. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. And 5 times 6 is also equal to 30. You've got to take 8 5s and make them in 10s. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. And 5 times 8 is also equal to 40. Last one. You've got to take 10 5s and make them a 10. 10 times 5 is equal to 50. And 5 times 10 is also equal to 50. Right, let's see. Hi guys, good to see you. Oh, I can't see you, but good to just share with you. So let's see if you remember the song. We'll go over multiplication by 5. 2 times 5 makes, I can hear you shouting out the answer already. 10, well done. 4 times 5, 4 groups of 5, 20, well done. 6 groups of 5, 30, super duper. 8 groups of 5, 40, well done. And 10 groups of 5, 50. And what about 5 groups of 10? Also 50, well done. Let's try this again. 5 groups of 2 or 2 groups of 5, 10. 4 groups of 5 or 5 groups of 4, 20. 6 times 5 or 5 times 6, 30. 8 times 5 or 5 times 8, 40. And 10 times 5 or 5 times 10, 50. Well done. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Okay, welcome back grade 3s. Just to recap again, if you know the value of the number, it will be easy to do division by 5. Today we'll do division by 5. And here I have 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just to recap after our song, in 10 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have one group of 5 and then we have another group of 5. So again, in 10 we have 2 groups of 5. So 2 times 5 is the same as 10. So let's just go over that again. So here I have 10, 20. How many 5s in 20? 4 5s. Well done. I still have 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. In 40, how many groups of 5 do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8 groups of 5. So in division by 5, all you need to know is how many groups of 5 there is in a number. So here I have 5 friends there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 20. So I'm going to share 20 equally amongst these 5. Now I have 2, 5, a 5, a 5, a 5. I can give each one 5. That one gets a 5. This one gets that 5, this one gets that 5, and that one gets that 5, but then this one gets nothing. So I'm going to show you how to do division by 5. So I'm going to give you the answer immediately. If you know how many 5s there are in 20, you'll know the answer. So if that's 20, how many 5s in 20? There are 4 5s, so each one is going to get 4. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20. So let's see. So you take this 5. Remember we said the answer would be 4. There are 4 5s in 20. So here's 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm going to take the first 5, give that one, each one 1. How much do I have left? I have 15 left. Take the next 5, give each one 1. and I have 10 left. The reason you need to know how much you have left is because division we do by subtracting. The next 5, give each one 1. And the last 5, until you have nothing left, you need to know this, you must share until you have nothing left. Each one gets 1. So we said our answer would be 4. Is our answer 4? Yes, it's 4. So all you need to know with division by 5 is how many 5s there are in a number. So in 20, there's 4 5s. Each child gets 4. I'm going to do another example. Here I have 10. And here's, I'm going to take 10 blocks. How many 5s in 10? There are 2 5s. So if I have 10 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 10, there's 10. I'm just showing you that to show that there are 2 5s in 10. Here's my 2 5s. So there are 2 5s in 10. Each one is going to get 2. Let's see if that's correct. 2 for you. 2 for you. There's 1 left there. 2 for you. 2 for you. And then the last one gets 2. So if you know how many 5s are in the number, that's your answer. But today we're also going to do division by 5 on a number line, because you have to show it on a number line. Okay. Right, so we're moving on to word problems that involves division by 5 or sharing by 5, and we're going to show it on a number line as well. Again, coming back to our previous lesson, you must know the value of the numbers. So in 20, I have 2 10s. So if I have 2 10s, I will have 4 5s. So how many 5s in 20? 4. So 20 divided by 5 will be 4. How many 10s in 30? 3 10s. How many 5s in 30? 6 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There are 6 5s, so 30 divided by 5 is 6. So if you know how many 5s there are in 30, you will know division by 5. Let's do the next one. 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. There are 4 10s, which means there will be 8 5s. 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 10s, which means there will be 10 5s. 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6 10s, and there will be 12 5s. So 60 divided by 5 will be 12. Okay, let's read our first word problem. Share 30 marbles equally among 5 boys. How many marbles will each boy receive? How many 5s in 30? 6. Let's show it on a number line. So we start with 30. We do division by subtracting. Remember, your division sign looks like that. It also has that line that we use for subtraction. So division we do by subtracting. So this is what we do. We take away 5. Give each child 1. It's a very long method. You know the answer already, but you have to be able to show it on a number line. I have 25 left. Take away another 5. Give each child 1. I have 20 left. Take away another 5. Give each child 1. I have 15 left. Take away another 5. Give each child 1. I have 10 left. Take away another 5. Give each child 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 left. Take away another 5 until you have nothing left. Don't forget to show the arrow must show that you have nothing left. And how many 5s again in 30? We said 6. So we're going to check, see if our answer is correct. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much does each child receive? 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. So our number sentence will be, I have 30 marbles. I share it equally among 5 boys. Each child gets 6 marbles. That's our number sentence. Remember, a number sentence tells us a story. Okay, next word problem. There are 40 knives. Pack only 5 knives into a box. How many boxes can you fill? Let's just take this out of the way. So we start off with 40 knives. Take 5 away. It fills 1 box. 35 left. Take 5 away. It fills another box. 30 left. Take 5 away. It fills another box. 25 left. Take 5 away. It fills another box. 20 left. Subtract 5. Fill a box. 15 left. Subtract 5. Fill a box. 10 left. Subtract 5. Fill a box. 5 left. And subtract 5. Fill a box until you have nothing left. How many 5s in 40? If I know that there are 4 10s, there will be 8 5s. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's your answer. So our number sentence is 40. Make groups of 5 and I will get 8 groups. So I can fill 8 boxes. This is a grouping which is similar to division, but listen to the story. Take 40, make groups of 5, and you can get 8 groups or you can fill 8 boxes. Now this is our last word problem. It's quite a tricky one, but that is why we need to show it on a number line because it will help us. Choose 16 balloons equally among 5 children. How many balloons will each child receive? How many will remain? So you have to answer 2 questions. How many each child will receive and how many will remain. So already the second question, how many will remain or how many will be left over, tells you that there will be a remainder. So if I look at the number 16, it's 10 and 6. So how many 5s in 16? 10, I have 2 5s, and in 6, I have 1 5, and there's my 1 remainder. I'm going to show you again. Break down 16, it's 10 and 6. How many 5s in 16? In 10, I have 2 5s. In 6, I have 1 5. So in 16, there are 3 5s and 1 remainder. So that's your answer already. Each child will receive 3 and there's 1 remainder. We're going to have a look at it on the number line. So you start with 16. Take away 5. So here we go. This is quite a different one. 16 minus 5 is 11. If you do not know the answer, what you can do is you can count and you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you count back 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Take away another 5, so I can give that to one child. Each child gets 1. So here's my 16. I'm going to give each child 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right, now I'm going to take away another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count back. So that's 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. The answer is 6. So I take away another 5. And I'm going to give each child 1. For you. 1 for you. 1 for you, Smiley. 1 for you, Big Eyes. Okay, and 1 for you. I have 6 left. There's my 6. Take away another 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have 1 left. 1 for you, big mouth. 1 for you, bright shiny teeth. 1 for you, Tanamana. 1 for you, big eyes, and 1 for you. So I have 1 left. I cannot chop my balloon, is going to burst. I'm going to have to give it to somebody else. Okay, grade 3s, that's all for today. Don't forget to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you, from the children, from the parents. A blessed Eid Mubarak to all our Muslim families. I'll send you some problems to solve, some division and multiplication sums, and our next lesson will be addition. Stay tuned and have a super duper wonderful weekend. God bless you, and don't forget to wash your hands.